In the previous training video, we looked at managing your department's courses. Now let's learn how to create an optional custom question survey and attach the survey to a project. IDP has created your project, imported your courses, and set up email communications to your students and instructors. Your courses are also linked to the main survey, but now you will have the option of creating your own survey with up to 5 additional questions. So here we are at our dashboard. The first thing I will do is click on Custom Questions and then Custom Questions Surveys. This page will show a list of any surveys you've already created, but let's start fresh by going over here and create a new survey. The first thing we will do is name our survey, and then you can add an optional description and save. We're going to start with Add a Question. From the drop-down menu, you can add a question by creating a new one. You can get a question from a survey you've already created, or you can get one from an item bank. So let's check out item banks. If we click on the drop-down menu, we have a TA-only item bank, which has over 200 questions specifically for teaching assistants. Your students will only see these questions if a TA is enrolled as a TA in the software. And then here we have the Purdue Pisces item bank, which has over 600 pre-formatted survey questions you can choose from. So we're going to click on the Pisces item bank, and then I know that my question is number 654. So I can type it in the search box, click search, and here's my question. So I'll click here, and I'm going to go up to Add Selected Questions. This will be the easiest way for you to add questions to your survey since all the questions are already typed out and properly formatted. So here are my questions in my survey currently, and now I'm going to add another question, and I'm going to create a new one because this question is unique to my department and I can't find anything like it in the Pisces catalog. So under question type, it's going to be a single selection, meaning the respondent can only choose one response option. And here I'm going to type my question. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to add one item choice per line under response options. Now I'm ready to set my question properties. The default numeric weights are in ascending order here, but for reporting purposes, we need to select the reverse code response options to change the weight to descending order, ensuring that our strongly agree option has the highest weight. Then I click OK and my weights have changed. If this question is specifically asking about an instructor, we would check this box here, Enable for Team Talk courses. This will repeat the question for each instructor enrolled in the course. So my properties are complete. Now I will go back up to the page and I'm going to save and add my question. I can continue to add a maximum of 5 questions to my survey, but I think I'm done now. My questions are saved, so now I will go up here and click Done. Once our survey is set up, we will need to attach it to the project. So I'm going to go back up to the Custom Questions tab, and this time I'll click on Custom Question Projects. I'm going to click on the link of my project, and then I'm going to go over and add survey. I have the choice of, so here's my survey here. I'm going to first click on that, and then I'm going to choose Next. And here I have the choice of selecting the courses to tie it to my survey from hierarchy level, or I can choose specific courses by clicking this tab. Here I can search for a course number or CRN. I can select all, or I can select individual courses, go up to Finish and Add. So here we were back in our project, and I want to view or edit the selected courses that I just tied to my survey here. So I'm going to click on my options, and I'm going to choose Adjust Destinations. And then here under Courses, if I click Show Selections, I can see all of the courses that I tied, and I can remove some here if necessary. After completion of all steps, including those explained in our previous training video on managing courses, please contact IDP via email so that we can cross-list any necessary courses and deploy your project. For co-administered department guidelines and additional resources, please visit IDP's website at purdue.edu/IDP.